Hello, fellow investors. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the ticker DRN. That is D as in dog, R as in Robert, N as in Nancy. This stock is a real estate bull 3X. It's not going to be as much with the technical analysis, although I think it may kind of apply, like pretty much does, really. But I kind of like the real estate market. I think like with having to be so much more cleanly, then there'll be a lot more. You might need a lot more space. You might not be able to cram as many people in an office in a building, and companies might have to start getting more office space, causing more demand in the real estate. Even though people are working from home, look at how it's gotten beaten down. I mean, I know this is a 3X ETF, so things are a little bit different in the price movement, but still. And if you're not aware with ETFs, I mean, 3X is really nice with ETFs, and they move on, an average of like all these other companies in this sector, and it moves at a 3X rate. So you're gonna get moves like this, but you're not going to, but you did because of COVID. But when you do because of COVID, it's 3X, so it's quite drastic. But anyways, I don't know that the technical analysis is as important with an ETF like this, but we'll still use it. It still looks really, really nice. I could draw a trend line here, and you'd see like this trend line, like, just showing like here. What looks really nice though is on the resistance line. We come up here and you poke that, and then you get rejected and you go sideways for a while, and you kind of come back to it. But what's going on here is like it's not getting rejected very far down. And I mean, it is kind of working in a lower sense, but just not very much. It's like really sideways, and not like not a lot of negative momentum. It's not moving down a lot, and it just is really poking this like line of resistance here at 13. So I would look for it to bust past it, and I like this. I like this stock, and I like this stock. I'm not exactly sure that it's going to go up immediately or what. It can be a little different because it is an ETF. It's better to just like understand the space in some way, but in terms of the sector itself. But I think that over the course of a couple of few weeks, it not definitely is going up, but I feel confident that it is going up. Unlike I said, unless like the whole market tanks, which could happen. But otherwise, this stock, I do think it's in a good position to go up. I'm not sure if it's going to go up like starting tomorrow. Maybe it retraces a little, but perhaps not. It does look like it has a good amount of momentum. The sector has some momentum here, pushing up. So there may be like a stall point. I don't know that I'm going to hop in tomorrow. I may look through the week, but I will be looking through the week to hop in because I do think it's going to bust past this point. These points of, the mid 13s or lower 13s, and I think it'll bust into more of this area, into the 15s. So that would be a really nice jump. You might be able to get a $3 jump on, from $12.40 or so. So that would certainly not be bad. Could be looking at about a 20-25% jump, definitely, which would be great. And I suppose I'd be looking to sell as a stop loss if it broke below this point here around 11. I don't really intend for that to happen, of course, but it is an ETF, so stop losses can be a bit different. But I would still probably do that. I will probably do that. I will do that if I buy the stock. I'll set a stop loss there. But hopefully, when I buy this stock, we are on a moving up ship. Moving upward on a rocket ship, I should say. And I think it'll break into this $15 range. I think it'll be really nice. So that's my forecast for this one. This is DRN. It's a real estate bull, 3x. I like it. Going into this week, 119, 2021. This is the last one I'm going to do going into these weeks. I know, like, it's not like you watched every video, perhaps, or even in order, but I think I did upload them in order as I went. So, I'm going to call it a night from this video and see how the morning plays out. I may look at the Bitcoin chart again and make one more video, but I'll be up in the morning and ready to play the markets and ready to play the moves that I have listed as moves that I like through all these videos I made. So I've got a good amount of plays that I like, and we will see how they turn out through the week, see how my predictions turned out, and next weekend, whether my predictions were good or bad, I will reevaluate or just go over all my predictions, go over the bad ones, the good ones, and hopefully there's a lot of bragging to do. Hopefully there's not a lot of, explaining to do, if you will, but I think we're in pretty good shape. Like I say, though, a lot of the stocks that I predict can go up are not going to go up if SPY in the market itself is in a tank. So we got to keep that in mind. But I'm looking forward to the week. And give me a like if you like this video. Give me a subscription if you'd like to hear more videos that I will be coming out with through the week and on the weekends, forecasting stocks and other investing opportunities, including crypto. I will catch all you investors later. Stay safe, stay hungry, and keep making that money work. Peace.